Ability while limbs move, pure transverse abdominis strength. Section 5, the battle plan. Knowledge is useless without action. 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Stick to them. Consistency is your greatest weapon. Show up, do the work, get it done. Warm up 5 minutes. Jumping jacks, high knees, bodyweight squats, or a brisk walk. Never start cold. Perform each exercise back to back with minimal rest. Rest 60-90 seconds after one full round. Aim for 3-4 total rounds. Reverse crunch 3x 15-20. Focus on the slow hip lift, lying leg raises 3x 12 time 15. Make the lowering phase agonizingly slow. Dead bug 3x 10 time 12 side. Keep your lower back glued down. Mountain climbers 3x 45 seconds. Drive knees with hips down. Beginner, start with fewer reps or 2 sets. The key is perfect form. Each week add reps, add a set or reduce rest. Progress is the name of the game. Make it harder. Hold a light dumbbell between your feet on leg raises. Progress hanging knees to straight leg raises. Go faster on climbers or add a weighted vest. Always seek the challenge. Core workouts build muscle. Now burn the fat. High intensity intervals spike metabolism and keep it elevated for hours. 2 options on non-core days, 2 3-star week.